Yeah, what's up, man?
Which hasn't been since when? Haven't seen her in a while. Yeah, we can call this number at 3:05. Yeah, I'll let you know if that changes. You can call me here if anything changes. Thank you. Bye.
My flashlight right there.
Daisy J's a fan, huh? She says she orders here every week. Come on. She still does. Saw her yesterday. Really? She's staying at some producer's house. What she do, G? What she do? What she do? Showtime! That is to recognize its level of choices. It's taking you over. And you must be hungry. You thirsty. I know it's the place that you can take private out of town for just a few days. You need isolation. Away from everybody. Let's start getting you some tonight. And the next night. Easy.
Yeah, he's not the only one in Hollywood Kevin Green didn't he see?
It's better than you busy.
Here they go. Damn, you missed it. You missed it, bitch. You almost had it.
Thanks, guys.
Too close.
They're going well?
Absolutely not.
Guess we could use a help.
Talk is fine. Do you know anyone with parents
Car trouble?
Yeah.
Mitch runs a repair shop in town, but he came by here this morning. He'll be gone for the day.
Will you come by car though?
No, I mean, gone.
Yeah. Good. Is there a motel within 5 minutes?
The only place near here is the Cedarwood Retreat. That's really more like a rehab place. Yeah, that's a lot for hippie types, you know. It's a little newish for that.
Maybe they have a bed the night?
Yeah, you got no chance of that. Kyle, that's my uncle. Most days he's a masseuse there. He says someone hired the entire complex for the weekend.
A whole place?
All the staff's empty. So it's empty. Ultra private. The whole place for like one person the whole time.
Including the one person?
Someone rich who wants to get straight on the down low.
You all right? I'm nice to the shop. I'm back to the Christian project. Very good thing. I just got here. That's a long ass ride. I don't have time for a soda.
You want soda or you want maybe that? Yeah, that's what I thought.
You actually know where we're going?
Just shut up and trust me.
Good for you now.
Was it?
What if I would have opened the door?
What was happening this time?
This is Jurassic Park. Got a T-Rex in there somewhere?
No, I'm just keeping people like that.
How sure are you she's in?
25%?
25%. Hey, it's gonna be 75 now. Oh, shit.
Is that Vinny's car? tell her?
No, did you fucking tell her?
No.
Hey, lady.
Where'd you put it, huh? Underneath my seat?
Or what? The fucking tracker's what? I think of it as an unpaid informant.
What a gas thing.
Two chunks of shit. If you've never popcorn under a limo. This is legit journalism. Oh, Mr. Pulitzer. Adorable.
This is stealing intel.
Ooh, yeah. Some intel. Fuck you doing out here, huh? It's gotta be Major Dead, right?
This was my find.
Yeah, I heard this place. Private A-list, list of experiences, super kooky. Sounds like a rehab joint.
Here comes
Showtime!
Detective.